In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the temperature and pressure relief valve in your water heater, shut off the power to the unit and close the water intake valve. You should drain approximately half of the water from the tank by using a flathead screwdriver to open the drain valve. Be aware you should open a hot water faucet in the home to assist in releasing water from the tank. After draining the necessary water, close the valve. Use a pipe wrench to help unthread the discharge tube attached to the temperature and pressure relief valve. Now use the wrench to help unthread the old valve by rotating it counterclockwise. This may require some effort. Install the new temperature and pressure relief valve by threading it clockwise into the tank. Then tighten. Apply some sealant to the threads of the discharge tube. Then thread the tube into the new valve. Open the water intake valve and allow the tank to refill. Then restore power to the unit, and your water heater should be ready for use.